Hey guys, in today's video I want to show you how I painted a $40 bookshelf and what the results look like. After painting, I used cardboard and tape and this Dollar Tree contact paper to create a nice backdrop. This is the before and after. I also added lights in top to the bottom with a remote. In styling this cabinet, I am using some older Tuscan pieces that I have with some modern pieces.
All my hours off guard, I know I'm the one to blame. Lured me into danger just like mushroom to a flame. I used to hiding from the pretty little thing. How the hell could I imagine you would cause me pain? I hit against the wall, and I can't avoid the fall. I should have noticed something wasn't right, and now I'll pay the price, I pay for price, I pay for price. A big bang theory, beautiful catastrophe, and now my life is upside down. Paralyzed me, made me act like stupid, and now my life is upside down. Never knew I'd lose my youth just following your track, while the entire world was blowing up behind my back. That is just cause I've been madly longing for the one. The more I try, the less it's working. Well, that's it, I'm done. I hit against the wall, and I can't avoid the fall. Should have noticed something wasn't right, it wasn't right. And now I pay the price, I pay for price, I pay for price. Big bang theory, beautiful catastrophe, and now my life is upside down. Paralyze me, make me act like stupid, and now my life is upside down. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Yeah. Stay away from me. Stay away from me.